Work great or fail for Zozen Nut Gatherer, Nut Roller, Side Opening Dump. We will introduce the features and brief details. What's features including? To make a decision before buy order. Intent say goodbye to sore back. Scroll back and forth across any surfaces to collect various nuts, just collective dump directly after filling up. You can keep standing instead of kneeling and bending during the whole process. Use nut harvester. Quick collect and easy to operate, save your time and strength. A quick roll of the nut gatherer lets a laborsome chore becomes a fun task. Patent design. All nuts collectors on the market require need to pull the wires apart manually and shake to dump out the objects, sometimes even clamp hands. Our dump way design. When removing contents from the basket, no need to separate the wire manually and no need to shake, rotate to open one side to dump directly. This way is easier to empty, and won't clamp your hands. Features are better. Others. Telescopic rod with 3PC fixed button to fix height will be tighter, adjust high which perfectly matches people with different heights. Spherical basket connecting shaft widened, better scroll. Dump outlet medial is designed slope, better dump. Comfortable soft handle cover. A storage bag, you can use to store the collected nuts. Exquisite gift box packaging can be given as a gift. The rod of the nut collector is made of high-strength aluminum alloy, durable and rust-resistant, not easy to deform and bend. The spherical basket is made of stainless steel wire, which has good elasticity and does not damage the nuts or fruit. Evenly spaced, heat-tempered wire cage that maintains shape during use. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details, to see all the detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon.com. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.